everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, it was indeed a unique Idols SA competition top 16 performance without Somgaga. For the past few weeks, Somizi's comment section on Instagram were blocked, but yesterday after Idols SA competition, Somizi opened his comment section on Instagram and posted, "Comments reopen. I love you my people. Thanks for your loyalty. Let's keep positivity trending." And his followers started commenting, telling him he was missed and that Idols were boring and it will never be the same without him. Lady Do was the first celebrity to close Somgaga's gap and she was complimented for amazing skill shared, guys, but fans couldn't compare her with Somizi. Anyway, guys, yesterday's performance was beautiful. The first top 8 who performed yesterday was Andiswa, Berry, Bulelani, Delin, Ngobi, Sia, Sinovuyo and Tasmin. The ball is now on our hands. Let's vote for them. SMS is R150 and you can register on Mzansi Magic and vote and start voting. Do leave your comment below guys and share your top 3 for now. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.